Unlock your weight loss potential, understanding nutrition labels. In a world saturated with food choices, achieving and maintaining a healthy weight can feel like navigating a minefield. We are constantly bombarded with conflicting information, fad diets, and tempting treats. How do we make sense of it all and reach our weight loss goals? The answer is surprisingly simple: by learning to read and understand nutrition labels. Nutrition labels are like treasure maps, holding the key to making informed decisions about the food we eat. They provide a detailed breakdown of a product's nutritional content, including calories, fat, carbohydrates, protein, vitamins, and minerals. By arming ourselves with this knowledge, we can make conscious choices that align with our weight loss goals. Imagine standing in the grocery store aisle, faced with two seemingly identical boxes of cereal. One claims to be low-fat, while the other boasts whole grain. Without understanding nutrition labels, you're left to guess which option is truly the healthier choice. By taking a few moments to examine the label, you can compare the calorie content, sugar levels, and fiber grams, empowering yourself to make a decision that supports your weight loss journey. Nutrition labels are not meant to be confusing or overwhelming. They are valuable tools designed to empower us to take control of our health. By learning to decipher the information they provide, we can make informed decisions about the food we consume and pave the way for successful, sustainable weight loss. Protein power, fueling your body for success. Protein plays a crucial role in a healthy diet, especially for those looking to shed pounds and achieve their weight loss goals. Often referred to as the building blocks of life, proteins are essential for building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and supporting a healthy immune system. When it comes to weight loss, protein is a true ally. It helps us feel fuller for longer, reducing those pesky cravings that can sabotage our efforts. This is because protein takes longer to digest than carbohydrates, keeping us satisfied and less likely to overeat. Moreover, protein has a higher thermic effect compared to carbohydrates and fats. This means that our bodies burn more calories digesting and processing protein, giving our metabolism a little boost. Incorporating enough protein into our diet is easy and delicious. Lean meats, poultry, fish, beans, lentils, tofu, nuts and seeds are all excellent sources of this essential nutrient. By prioritizing protein in our meals and snacks, we can fuel our bodies effectively, manage our appetite, and support our weight loss journey. Good fat, bad fat, making healthy choices. For years, fat has been demonized as the enemy of weight loss, leading many to adopt low-fat or fat-free diets. However, not all fats are created equal. While it's true that consuming excessive amounts of unhealthy fats can contribute to weight gain, our bodies actually need certain types of fat to function properly. Unsaturated fats found in foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish are considered good fats. They offer numerous health benefits, including reducing inflammation, improving heart health, and even aiding in weight loss. These healthy fats help us feel satisfied after meals, preventing overeating and supporting our weight management efforts. On the other hand, saturated and trans fats, commonly found in processed foods, fried foods, and fatty cuts of meat, are the bad fats that should be limited in our diet. These unhealthy fats can raise our cholesterol levels, increase the risk of heart disease, and contribute to weight gain. When reading nutrition labels, pay attention to the type and amount of fat in a product. Opt for foods that are low in saturated and trans fats while providing a healthy dose of unsaturated fats. By making smart choices about the fats we consume, we can nourish our bodies, improve our overall health, and support our weight loss goals. Carbohydrates, friend or foe on your weight loss journey. Carbohydrates often find themselves at the center of weight loss debates, with many questioning their role in a healthy diet. The truth is, carbohydrates are not inherently bad for us. In fact, they are our body's primary source of energy. The key to incorporating carbohydrates into a weight loss plan lies in understanding the difference between simple and complex carbohydrates. Simple carbohydrates found in sugary drinks, processed snacks, and refined grains are quickly broken down by the body, leading to spikes in blood sugar levels and energy crashes. These spikes and crashes can trigger cravings, increase hunger, and make it challenging to lose weight. Complex carbohydrates, on the other hand, are found in whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes. They are digested more slowly, providing a steady release of energy and keeping us feeling fuller for longer. Choosing complex carbohydrates over simple carbohydrates can help regulate blood sugar levels, reduce cravings, and support our weight management efforts. When examining nutrition labels, look beyond the total carbohydrate count and pay attention to the amount of sugar and fiber. Choose products that are lower in sugar and higher in fiber, indicating a greater proportion of complex carbohydrates. By making mindful choices about the types of carbohydrates we consume, we can fuel our bodies effectively, manage our weight, and support our overall health. Section 5. Fiber Up, the secret weapon for weight management. Fiber, a type of carbohydrate that our bodies cannot digest, is an often overlooked nutrient that plays a crucial role in weight management. While it doesn't provide us with energy in the same way that other carbohydrates do, fiber offers a range of benefits that make it an invaluable ally in our weight loss journey. One of the most significant ways fiber aids in weight loss is by promoting feelings of fullness and satiety. Fiber absorbs water in our digestive system, adding bulk to our meals and helping us feel satisfied for longer. This can prevent overeating and reduce overall calorie intake. Moreover, fiber slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar levels and promoting stable energy levels. This can help curb cravings, reduce hunger pangs, and make it easier to stick to a healthy eating plan. Increasing our fiber intake is relatively simple. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds are all excellent sources of this essential nutrient. Aim to include a variety of these foods in your daily diet to reap the weight management benefits of fiber. Section 6. Putting knowledge into action, making healthier choices. Now that we've decoded the mysteries of nutrition labels and explored the roles of protein, fats, carbohydrates, and fiber, it's time to put this knowledge into action and make healthier choices in our daily lives. Armed with the power of information, we can navigate the grocery store aisles with confidence, selecting foods that align with our weight loss goals. When comparing products, pay close attention to the serving size. Nutrition labels provide information based on a specific serving size, which may be smaller than you realize. If you consume more than the recommended serving size, you'll need to adjust the calorie and nutrient information accordingly. Don't be fooled by marketing claims on the front of packages. Terms like low-fat, sugar-free, or heart-healthy can be misleading. Instead, turn the package over and examine the nutrition label to get the full picture of a product's nutritional content. Remember, small changes can make a big difference over time. By gradually incorporating healthier choices into our diets and making informed decisions based on nutrition labels, we can achieve and maintain a healthy weight while enjoying a balanced and satisfying lifestyle. Section 7. Navigate the grocery store like a pro reading labels for success. Grocery shopping can feel like a daunting task, especially when trying to make healthy choices that support weight loss goals. However, armed with the knowledge of how to read nutrition labels effectively, you can navigate the aisles with confidence and fill your cart with nourishing foods. Start by checking the serving size and the number of servings per container. This information will help you determine the actual calorie and nutrient content of the amount you plan to consume. Remember, a single package may contain multiple servings. Next, focus on the calorie content per serving. If you're aiming to lose weight, you'll likely want to choose foods that are lower in calories. However, keep in mind that calorie needs vary depending on factors such as age, gender, activity level, and individual metabolism. Pay close attention to the amount of fat, saturated fat, trans fat, cholesterol, sodium, and added sugars. Aim for foods that are lower in these nutrients, as excessive consumption can contribute to weight gain and health problems. On the other hand, prioritize foods that are high in fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals. These nutrients provide essential building blocks for a healthy body, promote satiety, and support overall well-being. Section 8. Small changes, big results. Tips for long-term weight management. Losing weight and keeping it off is a journey that requires commitment and a sustainable approach. Crash diets and extreme restrictions may yield temporary results, but are often difficult to maintain in the long run. Instead, focus on making small, gradual changes to your eating habits that you can stick with over time. One effective strategy is to start by making healthier swaps. For example, instead of sugary cereals, opt for oatmeal or a high-fiber breakfast cereal. Swap out soda and other sugary drinks for water, unsweetened tea, or infused water with fruits and herbs. Another helpful tip is to plan your meals and snacks in advance. This can help you make healthier choices and avoid impulsive decisions when hunger strikes. Prepare a weekly meal plan and pack nutritious snacks to take with you to work or school. Don't deprive yourself of your favorite foods. Allow yourself occasional treats in moderation. The key is to find a balance that allows you to enjoy your favorite foods while still making progress towards your weight loss goals. Section 9. The power of knowledge. Nutrition labels as your weight loss ally. Nutrition labels are powerful tools that can empower us to make informed decisions about the food we consume. By learning to decipher the information they provide, we can take control of our health and work toward achieving our weight loss goals. Remember that no single food is inherently good or bad. The key to a healthy diet is balance and moderation. By focusing on nutrient-dense foods, controlling portion sizes, and making gradual changes to our eating habits, we can create a sustainable lifestyle that supports both our physical and mental well-being. As you embark on your weight loss journey, remember that knowledge is power. Take the time to read and understand nutrition labels and use this information to make informed choices about the food you eat. With dedication, persistence, and a little help from nutrition labels, you can achieve your weight loss goals and live a healthier, happier life.